Hi guys, today I want to make some animals out of this clay. Let me open it first and then we can make animals out of the clay. Wow, there's different colors. There's a cover here. Let's peel it off. Get out, these are the colors we have. We have black, brown, we have purple, blue, light blue, dark green, and light green, and yellow, orange, red, and pink, and white. I'm going to start with the ladybug. We need red. Okay, I have rolled it. Now I'm going to squish it like how a ladybug is little like this. This is a ladybug body. Let me make a black head and then I'll make eyes for it. Okay, now this is black. Let's squish it like little head. Okay, this is when it's like flat. Okay, now we're gonna stick it here. We can even smooth it up so it can really stick on here. Smoothing up is the best way. Okay, now we're gonna make the eyes. For this, we need white. I think that's enough white. We're gonna make some eyes out of this. So first, I'm gonna round it up. Okay. Try and stick it here. Another one. I think it is perfect. Yeah, now we need black for the little dots in his eye. Okay, I'm gonna keep the first one and the second one. I need to do a half. You need this little, like a stick kind of thing, a toothpick, and then we need to make this kind of line. We need black again, and I'm going to roll it like this. Okay, and then you have to fold it like this. Okay, keep it here. And now I'm going to make another one. You just need to do the same thing. Now I'm going to do the black dots in his body. They look cute. This plate is cool because we can make it more cool and shaped like it's a real ladybug. And the last one. I'm done with my ladybug. I'm gonna make a panda. So let me get a little hat. There. Wow, it makes a lot of sound. You have to roll it like a ball so it's much more easier. Because play is very hard. I have shaped circle for the head. Now I think I'm gonna make the body. The body you need a lot. I'm smoothing it out. You just have to roll it. There. Okay, now I'm gonna tap a little bit so it be a little big. Now you have to do this so it can get smushed together and mixed. See how it's getting mixed? First, I'm gonna start with eyes. I'm gonna roll it here and stick it here. And another one. Okay, now I'm done with the eyes. Now I'm gonna make the smile. It's so smooth. There. I'm done making them out. Now I'm gonna make the cute nose. So I'm making like a triangle. And it's like fun to make shapes out of Play-Doh. Next, I'm gonna do the ears. We're using a lot of black today. Okay, I'm almost done with another ear. I'm just sticking here. Now I'll make the heart in. My panda's gonna hold the heart in. Now I have made the heart in. Now I'm gonna put it here. Okay, now I wanna make the hands and the legs. I wanna stick one hand and another hand. Oh, it looks like it is holding it. Okay, now there's legs. I'm putting the legs. And done! I'm done with the cute panda. Next, I'm gonna do a fish. I'm gonna use dark blue play. Okay, I took some blue. Now I'm just going to roll it. I'm making the fish and I'm shaping it. Now I'm done with the fish's body. Now I'm gonna make like the face and the eyes and the mouth. First I'm gonna make the eyes. We have a little white here. So I'm gonna use it there. Now I'm gonna round it up and stick it right here. Now we'll need a little bit of black. I'm done. Now I'm gonna make the mouth. Pink mouth. For this we need pink clay and a toothpick. And you need to make a hole. There. Now the fish's mouth is ready. So I'm gonna use orange here, and I'm gonna use some here. There. Now let's put the tail. We need the blue dark clay, just like we used for the body. I'm gonna make the tail. Attach the tail. I'm attaching it. I'm done. Next, I'm gonna make a chicken. I'm gonna get some yellow. Rolled it for the head. Now I'm gonna make the body. I'm gonna round it the same way, but it's bigger. Now I'm gonna stick it together. I'm just doing this kind of thing so it sticks well. Now I'm gonna make like the softness is coming. So for this we need a toothpick. Only we're gonna do it to the body. We're gonna do it like this. And keep on doing it everywhere on the body. Now I'm gonna do the eyes. I'm gonna do the black one. Other one. Okay, now I'm gonna do the beak. I'm gonna get some orange and do this. Okay, now I'm done with the beak. Now I'm gonna put it in. There. Done. I'm putting like an orange thing, like hair for the head. Next, let's do the wings. I'm done with the wings. Guys, I made a couple more, and I made a ladybug, a panda bear, and a chicken, a rainbow, and I have made a fish, caterpillar, a unicorn dolphin, and a chocolate and a leaf. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of my videos, go down and you'll see a red subscribe button. Touch it and you can watch a lot of my videos. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye!